Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2020 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler Trike with 8,344 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It comes well equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a keyless ignition, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a detachable passenger backrest, quick detachable windshield hardware, and a tab performance exhaust. From the factory, this trike offers all the enjoyment and thrills of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. It's powered by a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine with a 6-speed transmission that puts out an impressive 122 foot-pounds of torque. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a seat height of 27 inches. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.